there was a mountain lion. And he was look at this. Well, it seems like this always happens. Look through the windshield right there. Yeah. Welcome to another one, Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Looks like there's some rain going on. We got the trailer hooked up. It's time to go for another overnighter. Let's go for a camp out. Maybe that rain will just kill the dust. That'll be okay. I'll be alright with that. Hey, so this is a whole different story with the rain and the X3. I would have been dreading this trip. But I'll tell you what, we got all the creature comforts and wipers. I'm gonna link a video. Where will it be? It'll be right up there. I'll link a video to the trip that we took to Glacier National Park a couple of years ago. And oh my goodness, the mud and the rain. Oh, it was terrible. If there's one thing I hate, it's getting muddy. I don't mind if the machine gets muddy and I'm inside this awesome cab. Right now I've actually got the AC going. But, ooh, there's some lighting. I don't mind in this machine because of all the comforts and it's enclosed. So, let's enjoy the rain on this ride. Well, I've been here for a while. I got everything set up. You saw that video. And I just been hanging out for a bit. I got some trail cameras out. I went and checked out. I'll show you a picture of a couple of nice elk that I saw on my camera. But it's getting to be about supper time, so I'll set up the camera. We'll fix up some dinner, and then we're just gonna hang out. So thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. Let's just enjoy the camp out. What do you say? We're gonna do something a little different tonight. I got some of this sirloin Philly steak sandwich stuff from the old Wally World. So we're gonna try that out, and I'm gonna make some toast to put it on, and yeah, let's try it. I thought it was pre-cooked, and it's not. It's like already sliced and stuff, and separated into different sandwiches. Oh, we'll see. It'll probably still be good. Let's do some toast now. I have a little aluminum shield to block the wind. I should get it out. It's right there, but I'm almost done. It's gonna kind of end up being more like a grilled cheese. A Philly steak grilled cheese. That doesn't hurt my feelings. Little butter action. Put some butter on this other side here. We were just making toast, so we didn't butter it. Next time, butter the bread. But that meat's really good. All right, here we go. This is the meat. It's really good. I just eat the meat by itself. Now let's try it on the sandwich. That's pretty good. I'll make that again. So the Fish Lake National Forest is on a fire ban, so I can't build a fire. So I'll just sit here and listen to the wind, watch the leaves blow. Wow, what a night. A couple of things. Number one, I forgot my pillows. I always just leave a set in there, and the last time we took the big trailer camping, I moved them into the big trailer and forgot to put them back. Whoops. And so last night, right out in there somewhere over there, might have been down by that water, might have been over by the spring that's right about there. Anyway, there was a mountain lion, and he was screeching and hollering. Must have had a kill or something over there. Anyway, it's kind of cool to listen to. Kind of eerie. If you've ever heard a mountain lion in the wild, it's different. But anyway, you guys, what an amazing camp out. I'm going to show you guys some pictures of some wildflowers. Yeah, just some of the stuff that I saw. I could flip and live here forever and never go back. And with the Starlink, it's kind of easy to do some of my job, but just an example, like look at this. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. I spent some time hiking around all over up in there last night. Right up there, there's a spot called, well, I just named it Sunset Point because the sunset last night was pretty amazing. I got one picture of it late. I'll show you that here. But the old Defender with the new seats, you guys, that is, wow, that makes a whole different machine. Crazy how much difference that makes. Anyway, it is Wednesday morning around 8 o'clock, and unfortunately I've got to go to work. Takes me about a half an hour to get down and another 20-30 minutes to get ready and back to the office, but bleh. Let's go to work. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. We'll catch you on the next one coming up real soon. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss this year's glacier trip. It's going to be awesome. We'll catch you on the next one. We're out.